So we got finally up the stairs. We've got the new window in. We've just got to lather and plaster the boards around the window to get this all finished. As you can see, it's still got the original lather and plaster. We think this is maybe from the 50s or the 60s, not original. For this now, next to the chimney coming up there, this is a nice lookout, and the church and the street across. We've just got to put the ceiling on, put the insulation in, put the ceiling, and we're going to cheat here because the roof's new. We're going to put just plasterboard there. We put plasterboard on these new parts here because they're nothing to do with the original. Then we'll put a skimmer lime plaster over that. We don't need to do lime, but while we got it here, we might as well use it. Put the doors in. Then I can get this all painted, get the wood primed and finished, get the doors fitting properly. Then we've got to put the finish off the walls. Now this one, I've almost finished. I've just got the top section just to redo and paint. But the amount of cracks, unevenness was horrendous. It was like this wall. Let's stay to that. Now I could cheat, spend 200 quid a day and get a plaster over, lime plaster over to do it. Or I can do it myself, takes 3 times longer, but I can get a nice flat surface. Now the radiator's coming in here tomorrow, which is why I've had to do this wall first. We'll get the radiator in, then we'll get the room warm and start to dry, and then we can pull through a lot of the damp out of the wall, get that dry, and then I'll start plastering and filling that. Now I've been using lime putty rather than plaster, and just slowly going over the unevenness of it all. The cracks here, I've just got to lime putty all that in, but slowly like I did along here. This had all broken from here up, so this all section is new and bigger down there. Slowly, and then we've been putting some dowels on top of the original flat skirting just to get it to look a bit better rounded. Once this room's done, got this room to finish again. I've finished this wall. The radiator's coming in here tomorrow. We'll get this room warm, get these lights off, then I can fill that and get that finished painted. But as you can see, this one is looking all right. But again, the walls here either side, I'm giving this a quick skim just because it's easier to see the cracks once it's done. But I've got to get rid of all the cracks, redo around by the plugs, and this are all new, so we've got to get these plastered, then I can get this painted and then get the doorway done. We'll get some warmth in here, get this all painted. The new windows have gone in, but I've got to tidy up all of that with a 2-pack, fill that in, get that painted, and then we'll get the carpets put in up here. The top floor will be done. These are still live at the moment, that's why I've not filled these in. So I've got to get those disconnected, but we'll do that when these lights get put in. So hopefully just after Christmas now, get this all done by Christmas. Big you're doing this now till July, but we'll get this all done by hopefully over Christmas, get these painted. We'll see how we do.